So hello everybody, this is Sofa. Welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna have something very interesting. Just a quick brief story. I have a friend of mine whose grandpa is a farmer, and they collected a lot of metal scrap on their farm. And on the field, when he was doing the plowing, they found that piece. He called me up, said, "Andre, you're probably gonna be interested." I looked it up and I immediately catched it and said yeah, I'm gonna take it. They give it me for free, so I actually bought like 3 beers. What that is basically in a good condition. If you take a look, that's the front cover, or the from a Maxim machine gun from the Second World War. It's complete. You got the hooks which are being attached to the machine gun, and even the screws. So this is something not very often seen, found on the field. And yeah, I'm just gonna do a trip to that farm and see what we can find else. So that's actually it. So I hope you enjoyed it. These are the little finds you can sometimes get for 3 beers. I wish you all a great day, and yeah, stay tuned.